Hi everybody, this is Caitlin with Creative Creations, and I'm here to show you the Starlight 12 by 12 interactive album. This is using the fabulous 49 and Market Starlight Dreams paper collection. So in class, we learn how to make these extra little side flips, vertical flips. Look at all those photos I got on this page, as well as a 12-inch pocket. You could literally put another 12-inch layout into this pocket. That is so cool. So I'm going to close these flaps and show you my next page in this 12 by 12 album. We added in this page. It is double-sided. Cute photos here. And on the right side of the album, we added in a top flip. And then watch, it keeps going. A side 12 by 12 flip, and then another right page flip. This is the inside of the back cover with a back side to the page I just opened. And catch this, all the way over here, there's another flip. So you should come and check out the 49 and Market Starlight Dreams 12 by 12 interactive album workshop from Creative Creations.